What's up, you guys? Welcome to the video. If you're new here, my name is Josh. Today, what else is new? We got some more goodies for the car. It's kind of funny. I did say we were done with the interior. Clearly, that lasted very long. Let's get started. So, I went ahead and did it, and we got the Alcantara carbon fiber open pore interior trim set. Whoo! It looks so good. I'm so excited to get this installed. So big shout out before we get started to ECS Tuning. I've been looking on their website a lot lately, and they're literally the plug for everything. Can't believe I haven't been buying from them more often, because they have literally everything. And the open pore carbon with the Alcantara looks absolutely spectacular. So yeah, this is gonna match the shifter and the brake boot a little bit more. Like I said in prior videos, I do really like the vinyl wrap. So I'll do a little comparison of the open pore carbon and the vinyl wrap. The vinyl wrap definitely looks really good. It doesn't match as good as obviously the real carbon fiber. But there's something about vinyl wrap that's so soothing. I love vinyl wrapping. It's just fun. It's therapeutic. It's just, vinyl wrapping is just so much fun. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I don't even think I'm that good at it, but it's just fun. But we had to go with the open pore real carbon fiber with the Alcantara, and I've been staring at this. I got the box, and after the fact that I ripped the box open, I figured I could have done, an unboxing, but I was so excited I ripped that open. I've been staring at this for 2 days, waiting for the weekend so we could make this video and get these installed. These pieces are sweet. So once again, big shout out to ECS Tuning. Let's get installed. Alright, so before we get started, I'm gonna go ahead add in the screen record right about now. This is the page, the link from ECS Tuning, so links will be in the description if you're interested. Once again, a little pricey, but for everyone I've talked to and now having it in my own hands, it's well worth it. I'm obviously going to show you guys, I'll give you the part number, everything you need. It's pricey, it is. And I've been thinking about this for a while. I've foreshadowed this in a few other videos. It's so worth it though. So going down, yeah, there it is. It's pricey, but it's so worth it. You can go ahead and make sure, fits your vehicle, all that fun stuff. Here it is. Manufacturer part number, ECS part number. So you can go and check BMW's catalog for their part numbers. It's the same exact thing. Some more pictures online. It actually does pretty good justice. That's what you get. It looks perfect. So you can scroll down. There's all the fitment for the following vehicles. No reviews. I guess I'm gonna have to be the first review. But yeah, like I said, links will be in the description if you're interested, because I know when I first saw this set, it's love at first sight. I had my eye on this for a while. There's a lot of sets online on eBay and stuff like that are a bit cheaper, but when you really pay attention and go look into the details of it, you're gonna have to wait like 2 months from like Lithuania and like Germany and stuff like that. So it came down to just, I'd rather pay a little bit more and get it sooner, being that, once I have Amazon Prime, so you get used to that next day shipping, the 2-day shipping. So it's like, wait 2 months? No, not at all. But yeah, looking at this trim set, all these pieces, I'm excited. So here it is. It looks fantastic. And it really is as simple as take a trim tool and just pop out all the trim. If you've never done it before, obviously I'm going to show you how. The center trim is a little bit more difficult because these are screwed in right here. So I mean, no big deal. I'll show you guys how. Take out the vents, put them in. Oh boy, it looks so freaking good. Woo! So we can do a bit of comparison right now. Vinyl wrap, open pore carbon. Looks pretty good. Like I said, I'm definitely very impressed with vinyl wrap. But you know, that real carbon is the way to go. So then obviously we got to take the vents out of the OEM pieces and transfer them over here. I'll show you guys that next. Alright, so we're going to go ahead, transfer over the vents. It's basically 4 clips along the bottom, 3 clips along the top. Nothing too crazy. So obviously most of the time you want to use trim tool piece. These are kind of a little bit smaller and not much room, so I'm going to use a little flathead screwdriver, wiggle these out. Just like that. And then, pro tip for getting out the door panels, there's a little slit right here along the bottom. If you just look for that slit along the bottom, it's easy to get that pry tool just right on in that slit and pop right out. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little montage. As I'm sure you guys can tell and also agree upon, it looks spectacular. Everything matching perfectly, except the vinyl wrap now. So who knows? Might have to switch that out too. So we'll leave this vinyl wrap as well as this right here. But hey, the open pore and the vinyl wrap actually look pretty good. With the real carbon fiber with the Alcantara, it looks absolutely amazing. I love it. So yeah, like I said, if you're interested, links in the description. It's pricey, I'll say it again, but it looks spectacular. It looks so good. Matches perfect. I'm loving the new look. Let me know if you are too. Alright guys, this about wraps it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. I absolutely love it. Hope you guys do too. Before we get out of here, I just want to make sure, to let everyone know, crazy times out there. I wish you guys, everyone, health and happiness. Please be safe out there. Everybody just be smart, wash your hands, stay inside, get away from everybody, have some peace and quiet. Really just take a moment to have that perspective of, this could all go away. The fact that we all just upload videos to YouTube, or we all go get gas whenever we want, or go to the shopping center whenever we want, that could all go away so quickly. This whole quarantine life is pretty crazy. I hope you guys are able to work from home. I hope things aren't too crazy for you. Please be safe out there. Health, happiness, blessings. God bless everybody. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.